Hey besties, welcome back to my life as Jamila. It's me, your girl, Cameron Jamila. Do you guys like my hair? Do you like my vibe? Is the aesthetic giving? What is it giving? I want you to comment down below what you think I'm giving. What was the look I'm going for? Yes, baby, my hair looks great. I freaking ate, and I'm gonna get into the tutorial. I did this shortly, but I just wanted to come and give a little intro. I know you've missed me, you haven't seen me in a minute, but your girl is back in her creative flow. I'm back with the hairstyles, I'm back with the looks, I'm back with all the content. This is just the beginning. Let's get into this hairstyle. Welcome back to another wig install tutorial. I'm gonna keep it cute because I feel like we're all tired of the wig install videos, but I genuinely love doing hair. It's one of my passions and my hobbies. The unit I'm working with today is a 13x6 lace wig in 24 inches, and it is allegedly 200% density, which is cap. If you buy wigs, you know that you usually have to pay extra for a higher density. And that is what I did, but it's still a handful of hair. Like, I don't know. The density is just not there. This wig is extremely thin, and I feel like for 200% density is definitely a scam. However, I did only pay $85 for this wig, so I'm not gonna complain. Definitely got my money's worth, but I feel like I paid extra for the density, so like I'm still losing. But it's way cheaper than how much wigs actually go for, so yeah, not complaining. The original look that I was going for today was a purple ombre highlight, right? So I wanted my hair to have purple highlights, but it would be ombre, so it will be light purple to dark purple highlights that you can see through the black. Now, I'm not that experienced with coloring hair, and I thought that I could bleach this hair and get it light enough to, get it to a light enough blonde where I could use pastel purple and like you could really see the colors. Just a little bit of foreshadowing here. That did not end up going as planned. I bleached this hair twice, one time on camera, and then I did it again because the highlights were not that light. It was giving like honey blonde highlights, obviously, because this is probably really low quality hair, so it's not gonna process all the way to 613, but I was sure gonna try. After bleaching it twice, I gave up though, just because like I was not trying to cook the hair. But I was a little disappointed, not gonna lie. I was really looking forward to my purple ombre highlights, but now I know, and I will be trying this again, but I think I'm gonna start with 613 hair. That just makes more sense. So this is how the hair is looking after I bleached it the second time. Now I'm going to go in with the purple dyes that I chose. I also chose to get platinum because I wanted it to be really cool tone. I wanted it to be like platinum, lilac, purple. I really wanted it to be ombre. But obviously it did not show up at all, and I ended up wasting that platinum because it did not show up at all because the hair was so dark brown. In all reality, first of all, I dyed this hair with my hands, as you can see. Then, first of all, I didn't even have gloves, so I had to use 2 plastic bags, and I let that dye sit on this hair overnight for more than like 24 hours. Washed it out. The color did not take, so I had to end up doing the water method. With hot water, I felt like the hair would take the color more, which it did, but it just ended up coming out burgundy. Duh. I mean, obviously, if you put purple dye on brown hair, it's gonna come out burgundy. But like I said, I don't really have that much experience with coloring hair, so this was a learning lesson for me, and I hope you guys learn from my mistakes if you're ever trying to, color hair. But besides that, I mean, the wig is nice. The hair came out great. I did try to do the Legos hairline with the widow's peak. Love that down. I am not really feeling the baby hairs too much. I think it's giving a little ghetto, like The baby hairs can be a little overwhelming. I like a natural hairline. I'm always gonna go for the no baby hairs, widow peak, sleek hairline. Because this just, I want my wigs to mimic my hair. Because I'd rather wear my natural hair. And until my natural hair reaches that length that I need it to be, I'm gonna keep wearing wigs. But that was just the process of me getting this wig ready to be installed. I also did bleach the knots off camera like one does. But I'm not gonna talk anymore because I'm sure you guys have watched a million wig install videos. So yeah, I'm gonna let you enjoy some good tunes and watch me install and style this wig.
Ladies, drama, leave it home. If he ain't got it right by now, then scratch him off. He just called me, said it's about 20 strong. They standing at the door, don't wanna take us on. The ring, let it go about 3 months ago. The pain, the stress, that ain't me no more. The girl that they used to know done changed. Now they saying it's before they mention my name. Y'all, I was gonna bump like these. Y'all didn't think that I could bump like these. That I told y'all I was gonna bump like these. Turn around and I make it jump. Ladies, wanna keep that body, make it jump like these. Y'all didn't think that I could make it thump like these. See, I told y'all was gonna jump like these. How you not gonna know it when it hits like these? 664 came up real slow, put a good game on me. Told him, partner, don't get too close, so comfortable, cause the quick ain't for me. Got my girls all here, me, so spare me, please, all your personal info. I ain't thinking about love, I just wanna get it up, pop a bottle, talk a lot of bullshit, and let's go. Y'all, I was gonna bump like these. Y'all didn't think that I could bump like these. That I told y'all I was gonna bump like these. Turn around and I make it jump. Ladies, wanna keep that body, make it jump like these. Y'all didn't think that I could make it thump like these. See, I told y'all was gonna jump like these. How you not gonna know it when it hits like these? Tonight ain't feeling no. To my girls that's looking their best, won't you go and show it off for us? Ladies, don't throw your hands up. And if he's all in your head, just forget all the things that he said. Credit is yours, do whatever you want to. Yo, hear these words on my mouth now. Tell you how it's going down. Kelly, EVE, we coming through and got them bowing down. Ladies, can you feel it? It's an anthem. You can bounce around. Yeah, you just accept to take your breath. Bring it back now. Dudes get excited, seeing what they like. Hoping they the one you choose. Hope they get invited. Late night rendezvous is alright, but we loving how the club vibrating. It's enticing. Let the beat knock. Trust me, we ain't gonna stop. Head to the lights up. Watch us take over the spot. Few mad looks from them chicks, you know, and from them dudes who be jealous of a chick with dough. Pop another bottle for them. Keep my life moving. No time for the drama. Watch me blow through them. I know I sound confident. I'm supposed to though. We do it big. How we live. Kelly told you so. Come on. Told y'all I was gonna bump like these. Y'all didn't think that I could bump like these. I told y'all I was gonna bump like these. Turn around and I make it jump. All my ladies wanna keep that body, make it jump like these. Y'all didn't think that I could make it thump like these. I told y'all was gonna jump like these. How you not gonna know it when it hit like this?
I heard you good with them soft lips. Yeah, you know word of mouth. The square root of 69 is 8 something, right? Cause I've been trying to work it out. Good white wine. I come alive in the nighttime. Yeah, okay, away we go. Only thing we have on is the radio. Oh, let it play. Say you gotta leave, but I know you wanna stay. You just waiting on the traffic jam to finish, girl. The things that we could do in 20 minutes, girl. Say my name, wear it out. It's getting hot, crack a window, air it out. I can get you through a mighty long day. Soon as you go, the text that I write is gonna say,
what's my name? 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 Everybody knows how to work my body, knows how to make me want it. But boy, you stay up on it. You got this something that keeps me so off balance. Baby, you're a challenge. Let's explore your talent.
Do you guys like my hair? Do you like my vibe? Is the aesthetic giving? What is it giving?